Palawan just trying to milk as much clock as they could. Last 2 minutes na nga dito sa Paco Arena. This game number 3 of our 5-game Saturday schedule. The step back, another tough shot. Mahuhulog para sa Palawan.
And this just has been the deadly trio para dito sa Palawan. Itong si Rosales, si Velasquez, and si Jim Corpus. They were the ones making big shots and big plays for their team.
That's 18 now para kay Corpus. Dulanas will pull it back.
Good decision para dito kay Dulanas. Obviously, hindi na kailangan magmadali.
But turn on the jets. And he will be awarded 2 free throws. Guard Dulanas in this game so far. A double-double performance. 12 to go with 12 rebounds and 7 assists.
That's a big number for a guy playing the 4 or 5 spot para dito sa Palawan. And I think most of those assists came from the pinch post action na meron sila. Obviously, yung mga lumalabas dun sa pinch post action na yun, yung mga shooter nila eh. So doon nakakakuha ng maraming assist itong si Dulanas.
1 of 2 para kay Guard. 17-point ball game. Seria for 3. Knocks it down from the corner. Final minute and 10 here in this game. They got 5 points para kay Adrian. Now full court pressure being applied here by the Antipolo JY Titans.
Might be a little too late though. Kasi 14 points pa ang hinahabol nila dito.
Seria with a steal though. Moral will be fouled. Will head to the line for another set of free throws.
And even with under a minute remaining in this game with a 14-point lead advantage, itong Palawan hindi pa rin tumitigil dumepensa.
Moral back on the line. Not the usual numbers that we're used to talking about Chog Moral. Pero binanggit mo na nga, Renzo, no, mula nung umpisa pa lang. Every time he gets that leather, dalawa easily ang sumasalubong na kagad dito kay Chog.
Well, you gotta give credit to Coach Joff and the rest of his coaching staff for really scouting and then scheming well for this guy. We all know what this guy could do. And like what you said, the entire game, almost the entire game, they've been denying Chog Moral. They made it really hard for him to get the ball. And once he does get that ball, meron agad tumudouble sa kanya.
12 points for Chog Moral in this game. And it's a 14-point lead para sa Palawan. Mandaya will be fouled. A chance for him to get his first points here in this game. Palawan well on their way to arrange for that national final matchup between them and the makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors, who has already advanced, getting that victory against the Rizal Switch Fiber. The game just before this one, trying to defend that crown dito sa ating junior MPBL.
That journey for a back-to-back championship still alive para dito sa Palawan, and for Coach Joff Cleof has really doing a great job in this series, stopping the guys na medyo unstoppable during the regular season.
Seria trying to drop it off. It's the ball stolen. Velasquez ahead to Madaya. Might slam it. I've seen him do it. It's the easy bucket. 92-74 now. Short on that 3 attempt for Seria. As the clock winds down. And it would be the Palawan Urich Builders advancing into the national finals. A chance for them to defend their crown. They will complete the sweep, defeating the Antipolo JY Titans. Makakalaban nga nila ang makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Antipolo did go on several runs, Renzo.
Definitely nothing to be ashamed of nothing to be ashamed for para dito sa Antipolo JY Titans. They really put up a good fight against a strong team and Palawan Urich Builders, they were making runs, making defensive stops, a lot of those actually, but it was just too much for them. Itong Palawan, the firepower that they had the entire game, those trio that I mentioned earlier, they were making big plays and big shots for Palawan.
Taco Arena, and just like that, kilalanin na rin natin ang ating Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 3 18 Under South Division Champions. Walang iba kundi ang Palawan Urich Builders. Second straight year champions. Again, palakpakan naman po natin ang Palawan Urich Builders. And of course, kilalanin na rin natin ang isang player na nagningning para sa grupong ito. Congratulations, our most valuable player, Louie Rosales. Of course, kakausapin natin yung ating coach and of course, yung ating MVP coach. Louie, syempre alam natin hindi naging madali itong pagkuha nyo ng championship. Pero kanina, yung latter part ng fourth quarter, medyo sumabog kayo. Anong nangyari? What clicked in your team?
We stay composed lang. Naniwala lang kami sa sistema namin and sa mga coaches namin and sa mga teammates. Ito lang yung bunga ng mga past practice namin. Pinagandaan namin to kaya di na kami nabigla sa performance namin.
Louie, paano ka naman tinulungan ng mga teammates mo na makuha yung MVP award na yan?
Sobrang laking tulong nila sa akin. Simula sa practice, si kay Kakay, nakaka-shooting ko lagi. And sa mga teammates ko, yan, pinagkakatiwalaan nila ako, binibigay nila ako ng kumpiyansa. Sinasabi nila, tumira lang ako lagi. And yun, kay Corpus, kay Velasquez, mga tropa.
Congratulations, Louie. Punta naman tayo kay Coach. Coach, sabi mo gusto mo nang tapusin ngayong araw. Natapos mo. Kumusta?
Praise God, nakuha namin itong panalo. It's a hard-fought game. Masaya kami kasi sobrang sipag ng bata ng mga players namin, especially the coaching staff. Kasi itong week talaga, even on the Sunday, nagtrabaho talaga yan sila. And then until now, actually wala pang pahinga yan. Todo sa practice.
Sabi mo lang din, ang goal mo, every laro, may pakita ng mga bata yung best version of themselves. I-describe mo naman yung best version na nakita mo ngayong araw, Coach.
Lagi kong sinasabi from the start of our huddle, don't look for your game. Kasi every time you look for your game, you'll mess up. So stick to the system and be selfless in the game, make your teammates look good, and be the best version and be the best player of your role.
Sabi mo nga, don't look for your game, wait for your game to come to you. And with that game, kasama niyo na rin po, of course, yung trophy ng ating 18 under North Division. Last, Coach, kanina kinoronahan or binigyan na rin natin ng trophy itong makabagong San Juan. Anong pwede naming asahan sa mga susunod yung pagtatapat?
We will give our best in every game, in every second of the game. Winning is kukunin namin sa practice and mas maging isa kami sa game so that we can achieve our goals in terms of our fundamentals and play as one.
Of course, Coach, feeling ko gusto ring makita nung inyong mga supporters, ng inyong mga audience, yung ngiti mo. Patingin naman ng isang championship smile dyan, Coach. Ngiti ka naman dyan. Ayun. Coach, kung meron kayong gustong pasalamatan, batiin, champion Now is your time.
First of all, I want to thank God for this great basketball sport. Kasi hindi lang kami yung na naka-benefit nito, yung lahat ng nanonood, mga fans, yung mga players, coaching staff, and the management. again, sobrang laking pasalamat ko kay God dito sa sport na to kasi without this basketball, I think nasa gilid-gilid lang tayo. And again, I wanna greet my family nandito, sa wife ko si Kat, and my kids, ang 4 ng kids ko. And Boss Redgo, thank you for your support. Boss Anton Tamayo for allowing us to play here. Sa support, sa Perpetual Community, sa Palawan Urich Builders na nagsusupport. Mga taga Palawan, God willing, makapunta kami dyan. And sa mga kaibigan naming sumusuporta, mga parents na full-hearted support. And then itong MPBL management, thank you so much sa pagbigay opportunity sa mga players na paglaro nito. And again, thank you so much.
Thank you, Coach. Congratulations. Asan, Louie, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan, batiin?
First of all, thank you kay God sa blessing, sa opportunity na binigay niya sa amin na nakapaglaro kami ng safe and nakuha namin tong panalo. And sa mga coaches ko na nagtitiwala sa akin, sa mga teammates ko, and sa family ko dyan na nanonood, sa mga kamag-anak ko sa Cavite, sa Dinagat, sa Bohol, and sa ninong ko, kay Ninong Morit, shoutout sa'yo.
And congratulations, Louie. At sa buong Palawan Urich Builders, 18 under team, our South Division champions.